Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a pie chart in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now click on your chart and here you will find this three dot option. Select here and select open source. A new Google sheet will open. And this is chart data. Now read this chart data and make it 50 and press enter and see this chart already changed. Make it 70 chart already changed. Now double click on this chart and open chart properties. Open and first select setup option. Here you can add new series. Here type in new series. Also you can add new team or group and select customization option. Select chart style. Chart background color you can change. Also you can change chart border color. See this theme and pie chart. You can change border color here. Chart. Also change none. And by slice. And since this slice color green, this slice color also pink color, and this one, this one, and choose this is and see this. By slice color already see this. You can sense distance. See this. And chart axis and titles. Title, this is title, and make it center and see this, and also make it bold and color is choose black. Also this is font size, font style, and chart legend. Chart legend you can make top. See this top showing here. Legend font size auto, color is black, and make it auto. See this. And chart is still background color is none. See this. Also you can choose white and setup. You can say chart style. You can make this pie chart 3D pie chart and scatter. See this and unweight and 3D pie chart sheet and go Google Docs sheet and select an update and see this. The pie chart already edited. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.